getting hard to figure out what you're about, going it alone, and what you're hiding underneath. I can't believe you're holding on your own.
Hi, my name is Daniela Tosta, and we're here today on this beautiful Sunday enjoying our very first Darien Bay Yacht and Country Club car show, sponsored by Speed Luxury Rental.
Take a chance, put it in my hands. You don't have to let the current pull you in. I am a battleship, and I'll never give it up. I will never quit. I am a battleship, nothing's gonna.
What's up, guys? This is amazing day at Darien Bay Country Club. We are here on our first car show. We are here to display our nice cars we have for sale and for rental, and we are here meeting new customers and friends. This is an amazing atmosphere. The weather is beautiful. Everybody loves cars here. This is a great day for who loves cars. Thank you.
Caught in the motions of